right, how to install the end cap. If this is an interior application, simply place it over the end. Remember, this is 120 volts, so you'd want to do this with the power off. Okay, interior application, you're done. So if this was an exterior application, we need to take a couple extra steps here to make sure that water will not damage the rope light. First thing I want to do is just put a dab of silicone in it. So just a little dab like that. Start to install it, give it a little bit of a twist. Let's get that silicone all over the rope light as much as we can. Push it on nice and tight. There we go. The next thing you want to do is install the heat shrink. So I'll keep the heat shrink just maybe a 1/16 past the end cap like that. And we'll shrink it in. This will take a few minutes. You're going to want to go all the way around the heat shrink until the heat shrink is snug. I'll try to get most of the air bubbles out of it. There you have it. Looks pretty good. All right, end cap is installed. Now it's time to install the rope light. One thing I want to add here is about water. So because it is always our worst enemy, we do not want to install it to where water can just run down your rope light and down into your end cap. Eventually it will infiltrate the internal part of the rope light. So what you'd want to do is make sure that you always create a drip loop. So if your rope light is coming down the rake of your house or something like that, let that water come down, hit your drip loop, drip off, and not into your end cap.